Students, hi everybody, and today I am going to teach you about the question type. It is very easy topic, nothing easiest topic of the grammar. But there are some clues whenever you have to write question type, because question type, WH word and interrogative all are same. You will find out question type, interrogative, WH type question all are same. Only in question tag, you have to write question mark at the end of the sentence, WH also at the end of the sentence, and in interrogative also you have to write. These all are part of the interrogative actually. Okay. So whenever you have to convert question tag, first of all you have to write given sentence as it is. Whenever we have given auxiliary verb, there are three types of question tag. One type is what follow when auxiliary verb is given. You know, because we are learning question type from the childhood, but still there are some errors which are unable to understand easily. So whenever the given sentence is with auxiliary verb, okay, what I am telling with auxiliary verb, okay, again and again I am informing you about the auxiliary verb. Am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had, shall, will, can, could, should, may, must, might, these all are auxiliary verbs. So whenever they have given auxiliary verb is given, at that time rule number 1 is write given sentence as it is. Okay. Rule number 2, give comma after that sentence. Give comma after that sentence. After that you have to write auxiliary verb. But you have to write auxiliary verb. It means have, as, shall, will, may, must, might, whatever they have given, that you have to write as it is. Okay. And if given sentence is without not, it means sentence is in the positive form. If the sentence is in the positive form, you have to add nt. What you have to add? Nt. And apostrophe t. And apostrophe t you have to join for that auxiliary verb. And apostrophe t you have to add for that auxiliary verb. And if the given sentence is with not, other sentence is in the negative form. If the sentence is given in the negative form, means no, not, never, nothing, such kind of the negation word. But I am saying, listen, no, not, never, nothing, such kind of the negation word, if they have given, then you don't join nt. आपको वहाँ पर nt join नहीं करना है. Very important rule. देखो ध्यान से, again everybody listen carefully. If the given sentence is positive, convert it to negative, and if the given sentence is negative, don't join nt. उसको nt नहीं लगाना. Clear है? Now, with write question mark at the end of the sentence. और आज में क्या लिखना है? आपको question mark लिखना है. We are learning about the sentences which are with auxiliary verb. Okay. Now I am telling you, we are discussing what about the examples. Okay. Now listen. First of all, I told you, given sentence write as it is. Okay. So I can write given sentence as it is. Okay. She can dance. I have to write comma in the second one. Okay. And after comma, I told you have to find out what auxiliary verb. What you have to find out? Auxiliary verb. So here they have given can. So I can write here can as it is and join by nt. Can't, because sentence is in the positive form. So I have written here can't. And after that, after auxiliary verb, you have to write pronoun. What you have to write? Pronoun. Accordingly, you have to write pronoun. And you know that there are pronouns. अगर male, if they have given male, he आएगा. अगर if they have given female, you can write there she. If they have given non-living thing, you can write it. And if they have given plural form, then you can write there what you can write there they. So accordingly, here if they have given she, you can write it as it is. So it will be can't she, and at the end of the sentence question mark. There is water. So there is water. So I can write there as it is as it is. Water is also as it is. Then I have to write comma. Auxiliary verb is. So I can write here is and joined by isn't. Isn't के बाद I told you this one. There isn't. There का क्या रहेगा? You have to write there as it is. Now look, he would not come. First of all, given sentence you have to write as it is. He would not come. Now what you have to find out? Would. You can write here would as it is. And after that I told you, if the given sentence is in the negative form, don't join NT. Okay, here the given sentence is with not, so you don't have to join their NT or he, you keep as it is. Okay, now I am going to park. They have given I am going to park. You know that these all are some rules you have to prepare. Am is going to be converted to aren't. Am not का am रहेगा. देखो, am not का am नहीं आएगा. Am not का क्या रहेगा? Am. Okay, am का aren't, will का won't, shall का shall, less होगा तो shall be, और imperative होगा will you या won't you. So accordingly, I am here. So I can write here what I can write here. Am is going to be converted to run, and we have to write here I as it is. Sure, children are making fun, so you have to write first of all given sentence as it is, give comma. After that, what you have to remove from the sentence? R is going to be converted to aren't. Okay, and after that what I have to write? Pronoun. What I have to write? Pronoun. Okay, so whenever you have to write pronoun, you have to decide it from the subject. You have to decide it from the subject. Here children is given. So is it male, female? It's okay. Will you not name? No. They. Why I am going to write here they? Because children means what? Plural form. Okay. Either plural living or non-living. You have to write there they. So here I can write aren't, and you have to write there they. Question mark, and in the sentence you must write there. Houses are painted. Write given sentence as it is. Give comma. What you can remove from the sentence? R is going to be converted into aren't, and houses is in the plural form. It's okay. It is not living thing, but still I am going to write there one below they. So it will be aren't they. Getting now? Here her father must come. Whatever her father must come according to rule. First of all, you have to write given sentence as it is. Give comma. What you have to remove from the sentence? Must. So here it will be must, and you have to join mustn't auxiliary. Na? I told you am, is, are, was, were, have, had, shall, will, can, could, would, should. Whatever they have given, these all are auxiliaries. So you can write her father must come. Must is going to be converted mustn't. It's funny to listen, but you have to write it. Don't worry, rule is the rule. Okay, fun is the different one. Mustn't her father. Now pronoun her father is there. Father. You don't have to write she. Father is there. Main subject is what? Father. So mustn't, and you can write here he, and you have write question mark. Okay, it is the first time of the question tag. Now I am going to teach you second part of the question tag. Now I told you whenever the given sentence is without auxiliary verb, at that time you have to use helping verb. Do, does, did. What you have to use? Helping verb. Do, does, did. And you know that अगर verb को if they have given yes or yes for the verb, I am telling you again and again, you have to find out this condition from the verb. अगर verb को if they have given yes for the verb, you can use does. If they have given ed or past tense, then you can use the did. And without anything, if they have given yes or ed past tense is not given for the verb, you can use the do. If they have not given yes or ed past tense, you can use their do. Okay, same condition you have to follow. First of all, you have to write given sentence as it is. Okay, so I can write Pushpa played on the road according to rule. I am going to write here comma after the sentence. After that you have to find out is it their auxiliary verb? If auxiliary verb is given, no, auxiliary verb is not given, so you have to use do, does and did according to condition. Okay, यहाँ पर ed है मतलब past tense है, so you can write there what you can write there didn't. So here I am going to write did, and it is going to become negative. You know that positive, negative, positive. Okay, didn't, and Pushpa is the girl, so you have to write didn't she, and here question mark. Girls found pencil. You have to write given sentence as it is. Girls found pencil. Now after that you have to decide auxiliary verb, no auxiliary verb, do, does, did. Found कौन सा tense है? Past tense. So I am going to write here did, and did के बाद कौन आएगा बोलो girls. Girls is going to be converted to they. Because I told you after the verb you have to write there what you have to write there. Pronouns. So I can write here they. I bring a pot. I will write given sentence as it is. First of all, I bring a pot. After that, I will write comma. It is in the first form. Is it their past tense? No. Is it their yes for the verb? It is verb, na? verb yes, yes, no. So you can use the first condition. So here it will be don't, and you have to write here, what you have to write here, I. Now, people ate their cakes according to rule. First of all, you have to write people. After that, you have to write ate, and there you have to write as it is. Then you have to write what will do cakes. People ate their cakes as it is. Now it is in the past tense. You don't have to imagine these years or years. You have to decide it from the verb. अभी आप बोलोगे, sir, here they have your yes, so we can write does. No, I told you, you can decide do, does, did from the verb. From the verb, so I can write here did. And after that I have to write there what I have to write they, and after that question mark they. Now you can ask me they क्यों लिखा sir? People है ना? People is in the plural form, so you can write here they. Now third type of the question tag. Now third type of question tag is very important. It is very important. Why? Why it is very important? Because it is very difficult to find out the answer. Because it is similar to the first tag. In the first time I told you, you have to write given sentence and then auxiliary verb. Now look here, have, has, had, all are auxiliary verb. Okay, so if auxiliary verbs are appearing over there, you have to write given sentence, after that you have to write auxiliary verb. But there is one important rule about have, has, had. Whenever they have given have, has, had in the sentence, you must find out, very important rule. You must find out if they have given here verb. After have, has, had, if they have given verb, then you will find. If the given sentence is without verb, after have, has, had, main verb is not given. Look here. I have many ideas. Many ideas is verb? No. Many ideas is not verb. So, whenever sentence, such kind of sentences are there, whenever they have not given main verb, after either have, has or had, you have to use do, does and did according to my condition. Very important rule. If main verb is not given after have, has, had, you must use do, does and did. So I have many ideas. First of all, I will write given sentence as it is. Very important rule. So many students are writing. I know it very well. Okay. So many students are writing haven't, hasn't or hadn't as it is. But no. You can't write. Haven't, hasn't, hadn't as it is. But whenever they have not given main verb, whenever they have not given main verb, after have, has, had came on, main verb is not given, you can use my condition, do, does, did, have a, instead of have, I can write don't, and I can write here, what I can write here, don't have. Here also, look, Prachi has car. Here also object is given. Object is given. So has the verb is not given. So has instead of has you can write there. What you can write? Doesn't. What you write? Doesn't. Prachi is girl. So you can write there doesn't she. Okay. Santosh had lots of friends. First of all you have to write Santosh had lots of friends. So you can write here, had is here, so you can write didn't. Okay. Didn't you can write. Okay. There is one more type of question tag. We have learned three forms of question tag. But there is one more type of question tag is what? Sometimes they will give sentences in the imperative form. Sometimes they will give sentences in the imperative form also. So if the given sentence is in the imperative form, if the given sentence is in the imperative form, at that time you have to write the will you or won't you. Suppose like that we can say type number 4, or you can write you don't have to write type 4 etc. But suppose given sentence is in the imperative, okay, sometimes we are ignoring such kind of the rules. Imperative if they have given, imperative is what order or request, such kind of the sentences are there. At that time you can write will you, or you can write won't you. Anyway you can write anything, either will you or won't you. Like some sentences like this, come fast, you can write here what will you, or you can write what will you, won't you also. Okay, so you are writing. First of all you have to write. Okay, first of all you will write given sentence as it is, come fast, After that, what you have to write? Will you, or what you have to write? Won't you? Okay. Suppose now I told you suppose second sentence is there. Please. Follow all rules. Okay, you can write first of all given sentence as it is. Please. It is also like a request. Follow all rules. It is also what requested. So you have to write here will you, or you can write here or you can write won't you. Okay. Okay, getting now. So we are agree. And suppose they have given let's start party. Let's start party. At that time you have to write there what you have to write shall and you have to write we. If these all are about the question, thank you friends. Thanks a lot student. Okay.